Hello, myself Dakshayani C, working as assistant professor in Government College Faroum, and today we are going to discuss about the topic fast reaction for the course BSc subject chemistry and the paper physical chemistry. And this session contains introductions about that is fast reactions and some of the examples. Fast reactions we already know by name that will be you are going to study the fast reactions of chemical kinetics. It is almost which is less than the which is less than the fraction of the seconds. So that is whatever the fast reaction, the reaction which carried out in a short period, then the time required to mix up the reactant cannot be examined by a conventional method. Such reactions are known as a fast reactions. Chemical kinetics has been great interest in the study of very fast reactions which complete is less than about 1 second. So some of the special techniques nowadays we are going to use, especially that is the laser special technique here. So here it is now possible to study the reaction occurring in a few picoseconds. It means 10 to the power of minus 12 seconds. So the other technique including shock tube method and the molecular beam have been used to explore the depends of the reaction rate on the state of rotational or a vibrational excitation of the molecules or on the energy in which one molecules that will be collide and the rate at which the energy is changed from one form to another. This is the range of the how that is the rapid reactions of that rate that will be different from the conventional method. As if you know that in the conventional method in the laboratory, that will be in the conventional method rate you are going to study within 10 to the power of minus 7 per second to 1 per second, like that in the rapid reactions method, so 1 per second to 10 to the power of 9 per second. So it means that much of the fast that reaction is carried out with a fraction of the current. Therefore some of the special technique are employed for this study the rate of kinetics. This of that will be in the some of the methods that will be what is that in the rapid reactions method. One is the flow method and the relaxation method, flash photolysis, magnetic resonance spectroscopy. So in the flow method we are going to study that is a continuous flow method, accelerated flow method, stopped flow method, and in the relaxation method, temperature jump method, pressure jump method, electric impulse and ultrasonic. Flash photolysis, we already knew some of the examples from that the enzymatic kinetic reactions or enzyme kinetic reactions usually that will be studied by this kind of flash photolysis technique. And another one that is a magnetic resonance spectroscopy, that will be ESR, that is a electron spin resonance spectroscopy, and nuclear magnetic resonance, that is what we called as an NMR method. And also nowadays that is what I have studied in the introduction, what I have discussed about the laser beam techniques, and then we have go for the tunneling microscopic technique, that is what we called as an TEM or a scanning electron, that is a SEM. In that also we are going to study this kind of the fast reactions. So these are the examples of the fast reactions we already knew about in the laboratory in the ordinary method. So the reactions between the iron and the thiocyanate is in an aqueous solutions. This is also very fast. And the photochemical dissociation of iodine and non-photochemical recombination of iodine, the dissociation of ammonium hydroxide, the reaction between nitric oxide and chlorine, and the dissociation of water. It is also, these are all the reaction is carried on less than the 1 second. Therefore, for studying the kinetics of such reactions, powerful experimental technique have been developed by the German chemist Manfred Eigen in 1950. In this chapter, we are going to study some methods today some method to study the kinetics of the fast reactions. In that is we are going to study this tapered flow technique and the relaxation technique. In that is a temperature jump method and the pressure jump method, and also another one, that's a flash photolysis method. These are the references and sources for making study material and also for this PPT and the video. Thank you.